Welcome to the Introduction to Significant Figures. In this video, we're going to go over the rules to determine how many significant figures are in a value. Let's start with an example to help us understand the importance of significant figures. This is David. Now, he's a basketball player who reported his height as 6 feet tall. Beside him is Eric. He's also a basketball player, but he reported his height as 6.00 feet. Now, is there any difference between these numbers? Of course there is. Significant figures matter, and 6.00 is much more precise than 6. When we see 6 feet tall, it's likely around 6 feet, but it was probably rounded up or down and could really be anywhere between 5'11" and 6'1". Hopefully this gives you a little glimpse into why significant figures and precise measurements are so important. Now let's look at how we can find the number of significant figures in a number. Now here are the rules that we're going to follow. 1. All non-zero digits are significant. Number 2, leading zeros are not significant. 3, embedded zeros are significant. And the last rule, number 4, trailing zeros are significant if the decimal is specified. Now let's go over an example together where we apply these rules to find the number of significant figures. Let's take the number 0.078040. Now the first rule is that all non-zero digits are significant. This will include the 7, the 8, and the 4. So far we have 3 significant figures. Our second rule is that leading zeros are not significant, so that 0 before the decimal and the 1 right after are both not significant. Our third rule says that embedded zeros are significant, and so that 0 in between the 8 and the 4 is significant. And our last rule says that trailing zeros are significant if the decimal is specified. In this example, the decimal is specified, and so that last 0 at the end is significant. Now we can tally up the results and see that the number of sig figs in this number is 5. Thanks for watching, and look out for the next couple videos with more examples of determining the number of sig figs.